Hello friends, I'm Parviz and this is our second video in Pyglet application development. In the previous video, I have showed you how you can install Pyglet, and also we had a brief introduction to Pyglet. We have mentioned that we can use Pyglet in multimedia application, and also we can use Pyglet and with our opengl for making interesting games. For example, if you're going to make a media player or MP3 player, you can use from Pyglet. Okay, and also I have made a simple window in the previous video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a label for your Pyglet application. Okay, this was from the previous video. The first thing I need, I have made a new Python file at name of Pyglet labels. I'm going to import Pyglet. After that, I'm going to make my window. Pyglet.window like this, and the first I'm going to make my window, and after that I'm going to make the label. Okay, I'm not going to copy the code because I like to write this by myself. Okay, now I'm going to make my draw event at window dot at window dot event and def on sorry, you should remove this, and def on draw. Okay, the first thing I need, I'm going to clear my window dot clear like this. Okay, after this, at the end, I'm going to run my application. You can simply write run your loop. It's like loop dot app dot run. Now I'm going to run my application. You will see a nice window in here. Okay, now how you can add labels to this, and here make a new variable label, and Pyglet dot text dot label. Okay, now I'm going to give this hello Pyglet application. Now I'm going to run this. Okay, after this you should draw this, and on draw event you can simply write label dot draw. Now you can run this. You can see now I have at the bottom I have a label. Now I'm going to bring this in the center. For this you can simply make a comment here. Okay, I'm going to give a font name. This should be Times New Roman, and the font size I give it 40, and also give X position to window dot width divided by 2. Also give Y window dot height divided by 2, and also give anchor X to the center, and also anchor Y to the center. Let me run this. Oh, sorry, I have let me hide this, and okay. Let me run this now. Run Pyglet. You can see now we have a nice label with Hello Pyglet application, you can, for example, if you want to change the size should be 38 or 35. Now you can run this. We have now 35 size label. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget subscription of my channel.